Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily Dvar. And here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Friday, 13th day of May. Here we go. Now, at this time of the year, a lot of people accept what they call early Shabbos. Now, what that means is that sundown is kind of late at this time of year, and if you were to wait to start Shabbos when the sun goes down and then go to shul, my gosh, you would get home from shul at 9:30, and that's kind of late to start dinner and everything. So people like to have early Shabbos. Now, what that means is the shul will schedule mincha to be at, so let's say, 7 o'clock, with Marav and Kabbalah Shabbos starting at 7:15 ish. Everybody's home at 8, and then the evening is kind of more works better for the little kids and everything. And that's fine. You're allowed to do early Shabbos. It makes for interesting situations. Let me just say, generally speaking, that you can't start Shabbos as early as you want to. Okay, you can't go and say, we're doing early Shabbos, we're starting it at 4 in the afternoon, like 5 or 6 hours before sundown. You can't do that. You have limitations. It's too complicated to explain it here on the Daily Dvar, but it's only about a little over an hour that you could make it early, a little more than an hour, but that's about it. And additionally, sometimes what someone will do, not necessarily because of early Shabbos, but anyway, when accepting Shabbos, a woman might want to light candles and then plan to do some kind of work right after the lighting of the candles. When a woman lights the candles, she's usually accepting Shabbos and cannot do any other work. But she might say, look, I need to light candles here at home, and then me and my husband are taking a cab to the Kosel. We're in Yerushalayim. We have a little bit of time to get that done. And candle lighting is earlier in Yerushalayim, and you have time to get to the Kosel, and they want to take a cab there. So there is, as an example, so there is something called accepting Shabbos on condition. Like the lady says, I'm lighting candles, but I'm not accepting Shabbos yet. I'm lighting candles, but I'm not accepting Shabbos yet. She is allowed to do that, but you're not allowed to do that all the time for any old little need that you want. It's only supposed to be done, some rabbis say, only once a year. It's to be used for needs, for special situations, like going specially to the Kotel Hamaravi to pray. That would be called a special need. But if it's because I want to light candles now and then go blow dry my hair, that wouldn't be called a special need. So please, if you ever want to use this situation of light candles and make a condition that I'm not accepting Shabbos yet, only do that with good, careful guidance from a rabbi, so you won't abuse that privilege, which is only supposed to be used minimally and for great need situations. Thanks for logging on. Log on again after Shabbos for more. Bye-bye.